Okay, dude, so this is the beginning of another video. What we're going to do is try to level out the bed as much as possible. So we are going to bring the Z-axis down again by degrees, because unfortunately that's the only way to do it, all the way down to where it's basically right above the bed. Okay. And then essentially what we're going to do, now we know that at the Z home position, which is basically the home all, I think. Let's do this again. Let's home everything just to make sure. What this means is that when the hot end touches the bed, it's going to be right in the dead center. Okay? Yeah, you have to hit this home all button here to home all three axes. Okay? So we did that, and everything is just right. Okay? So when we did our measurement, we should be measured to the right height, where when it comes from here all the way down here, this is where it reaches 0. Right in the middle, right where we want it. Okay? So now we're going to run it down. And then when we get to the bed, we're going to start running a bunch of X and just drive it off in one direction toward one side or the other and just see how it goes. And if it dives into the bed, then we're going to lower that side. And if it seems to be increasing in distance between here and there, then we're going to release a little bit. Now, see how we're getting down to where it said 10.8? And we're almost there. It won't go below 0. It really won't. Like, you can't make it go below 0. So now I have to use the 0.1s to get it all the way down. Okay, so I'm at 0 now. Should be exactly where we set it. Look how close that is. Heck yeah. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get down here. I'm just going to eyeball it, and I'm going to start moving it along one axis, and we're going to see, oh shit, my motor's hot, if it dives in or not. Okay, so I'm going to do X. I'm going to start with X minus, and I'm going to do it in steps of 10. Okay. It's about to dive. Yep.
It did.
Yep, so that means this direction, it's moving kind of toward this screw. So what we're going to do is we're going to dip this one down a little bit.
Is that?
I think that's the one, yeah.
Yeah. No, I'm looking at the thing that's going to burn me.
Those are Dad's guns right there. Fuck yeah.
I don't know how much to.
Don't go too much. Just, can you see that thing's like...
It's on the deck.
Is it on it? Yeah, then lower it, because it's not going to move, and you want to get that to where it's going to be, you know, about 0.1 millimeter off the deck. Is it working? Should be. So we put springs on your bed in order to let you level it, dude. So this is what Dad was doing right here. Turning that spring and just holding the nut underneath so that it's a little tighter. Okay, so now if you look, you'll see that we're just a little bit off the bed like we were before. Okay, and we're just going to continue. For now, we're going to continue in that direction and see how far we get. It dove.
Yep.
Yep. So we're gonna have to run it down a little bit. Oh yeah, because it'll start ripping the tape. So let's do that one a little more.
I wonder if I ought to do that far one over there too.
It's possible, yeah. You might want to do both of them for now. It's not intuitive which direction X actually is on this. Okay, so it looks like X minus is roughly toward this pillar here, which I actually marked. What does it say? X. I'll be damned.
So maybe you want to tell me if you see any difference.
Oh yeah, here, I'll look.
It might be easier for...
Not yet. Oh yeah, it's starting to make a difference. Okay, that's good for that one. Try to lower this one a little bit more too. Just a bit. That's probably pretty good, actually. Yeah. All right. So now, just hit the...
Here.
Oh, thanks. Okay. So now,
Okay.
we're going to keep going on X minus, and we're going to see what it does. And it dove again. God damn it. Okay. So, we're going to keep doing this. You know, how far are we, actually?
Oh,
We're minus 60.
You know what the problem is?
What's the problem? Oh shit, that is not all the way freaking down.
Yeah.
There you go. Well, that's... Oh. Okay, we need to get a clip on here to hold that one down.
Another one.
Yep, right there.
Right there.
Okay. I can run in and get one. Yep.
Yep, okay. All right.
So, let's do that.